Only 26% of consumers now prefer AI-generated content, down from 60% just 2 years ago. Let that sink in. The pendulum is swinging hard back towards human creators. And if you're a business owner wondering where to invest your video efforts in 2026, this shift changes everything. Because while your competitors are scrambling to produce more AI-generated content faster and cheaper, the businesses that will dominate this year are doing the exact opposite. They're leaning into authenticity. They're showing real faces. They're embracing imperfection. And the data proves that they're right. Come with me. Here's what happened. In 2025, AI-generated content flooded every platform. Videos, images, articles, all created at unprecedented speed and scale. And at first, well, people were impressed. But something shifted. According to DigiDay, audiences started walking away feeling ungratified after watching AI-generated videos. They described having no connection to the content. And The Guardian reported that over 20% of videos shown to new YouTube users are now what experts call AI slop. Content that technically exists, but adds no real value. Instagram's head, Adam Mosseri, put it bluntly: authenticity is becoming infinitely reproducible. In other words, AI can now fake the look of authenticity, which means real authenticity, the messy, imperfect human kind, just became your most valuable competitive advantage. According to the 2025 LinkedIn and Ipsos B2B marketing benchmark, 94% of marketers agree that trust is the most important factor for brand success. Not reach, not impressions, trust. And here's the thing about trust in 2026. It flows from people, not institutions. Buyers are overloaded with polished corporate content. What they actively seek out are real people who do the job every day, articulate the nuance, share lived experience, and speak like humans. Wyzowl's 2026 research backs this up. 89% of consumers say video quality impacts their trust in a brand. But here's the twist. Quality doesn't mean Hollywood production anymore. It means genuine, authentic delivery from a real person. The video format that will dominate 2026 isn't about flashy production or AI efficiency. It's about human connection, which is delivered at scale. Here's what it looks like. First, behind the scenes content. Companies using this format are seeing engagement rates that really blow polished corporate videos out of the water. Why? Because it shows the real people behind the business. The messy desks, the coffee cups, the genuine enthusiasm. Second, first-person storytelling. Not scripted testimonials that feel rehearsed. Real interviews with clients in person or remotely where they can share their actual experience in their own words. According to Wyzowl, 57% of businesses now create video testimonials. The other 43% are leaving money on the table. Seriously. Third, and shorter and more authentic. Average video length has dropped from 168 seconds to just 76 seconds since 2016, and it's expected to hit 39 seconds by the end of this year. But here's the key. Those short videos need to feel real. Videos under 90 seconds retain over 50% of viewers. That retention drops to just 10% for 30-minute content. So what's the formula for 2026? Simple. More real faces, more presence, more storytelling. Brands that lean into perfectly imperfect. Candid moments, creative approaches, behind-the-scenes glimpses, those will capture attention in ways that AI-generated content simply cannot. Because AI can draft scripts and generate images, but only humans can deliver heart. The most powerful campaigns in 2026 won't be about better technology. They'll be about storytelling with emotion and cultural intent. As one marketing expert says, human craft is quietly becoming the real differentiator. If 2025 was the year the AI content flooded the internet, 2026 is the year audiences fight back. They're craving imperfection. They're craving things that feel off in a human way. And that's actually great news for business owners like you. Because you don't need a massive production budget to win. You need to show up as yourself consistently, religiously consistently, authentically, with your face, your voice, and your expertise. The video format that dominates 2026 is the one AI cannot replicate: genuine human connection. So, are you ready to lean into it? That's it for today. Before you go, please don't forget to give us a like or leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, do it now to know everything related to video for business. And I'll see you in the next video line.